Hello dear students, welcome back. So today we are going ahead in our lesson third. Name of the lesson is Ranga's Marriage and it is written by Masti Venkatesa Iyengar. So we have read in this lesson what I am going to tell you. In the first video, we come to know there is a boy named Rangappa. And Rangappa went to Bangalore for study, for higher study. And he came back to village. And the village name is Hosahalli. Village name is Hosa Ali. And yes, you Hosa Ali. Sorry, Hosa Ali. This is the name of the village. Hosa Ali is the name of the village. Hosa, Hoshahali. Hosa Ali is the name, and this is a very small village, and this village is known to everyone. Is not known to everyone. So that's why this is a very small village. And yes, this small village, and from that small village there was an accountant. The accountant sent his son to Bangalore for study. And after some days, when that boy, that name of that boy is Ranga or Rangappa. Rangappa came after, came after finishing his study in village. So all villagers came to their houses, came to his houses to see is there any change in Rangappa or not. But there was no change. So, but there was a person, and that is Swamiji, and that Swamiji wants to make him, married. So that's why he made a plan. So what plan he is going to make? So we are going to read. And yesterday we come to know, we read more about what we come to know that the narrator is telling the story, telling about his village also. So now we are going ahead, and what happened to Rangappa? His marriage is going on or not? He got married or not? We will come to know today. So let's start ahead. The priceless commodity, the English language, was not so widespread in our village a decade ago. The narrator is telling us the English is not known to all in the village. In Hosahalli, English was very few people were there, and that was why Ranga's homecoming was a great event. So English was not known by the people of Hosahalli village. So that's why it was a great event, because a student, because a boy of the village, went outside, went Bangalore for study, and he came back. So this was a great event. What was the great event? Ranga's homecoming was a great event because he knew English, he was speaking English, he has learned English from from Bangalore. So now he came home, and before him there was no one who was speaking English. So people rushed to his doorsteps announcing the accountant's son has come. So people were going to Ranga's house, and they were announcing that the accountant's son has come. So who is that accountant's son? Accountant's son is Ranga. And from where Ranga's came? Ranga, from where Ranga's come? Ranga Ranga came from Bangalore. So he got study there, he got education there, and now he came back to his village, and that was a great event for the villagers. So all villagers were going to Ranga's house. The boy who had gone to Bangalore for his study is there here. So that boy, who is that boy? That boy is Ranga, and Ranga went to Bangalore for his study. It seems, and come, Ranga is here. So let's go and have a look. So all villagers were going to Ranga's house to see Ranga, to have a look of Ranga. So that's why the all villagers were going to Ranga's accountant house. So attracted by the crowd, I too went and stood in the courtyard and asked, why have all these people come? So there is no performing monkey here. So attracted by the crowd, all villagers were going to Ranga's house, and there was a writer, there was a narrator, and narrator also went to Ranga's house because all villagers were going to Ranga's house. So that's why narrator also went to Ranga's house. And what he said here, it is written here, why have all these people come? So he asked the people, yes, why did you come here? Why did you come to Ranga's house? Yes, you, and there is no performing monkey here. And he is told that there is no performing monkey because the people were going to see the monkey game, to see the yes performing monkey, but there was no monkey. There was a person, there was a boy, that is Ranga, who came his home. So there was no performing monkey. It was told by the narrator. A boy without a fellow, a fellow without any brains said. So there was a boy, and that boy was also a villager, and he spoke. He did not have a brain, so he said what loud enough for everyone to hear, and he spoke in a loud voice. What are you doing here then? So he spoke that फिर आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो अगर यहाँ पे बंदर का खेल नहीं हो रहा है. So a youngsters, immature and without any manners, and that boy did not have any manner, and he spoke that ठीक है हम तो यहाँ पे आए हैं बंदर का खेल देखने के लिए, तो आप यहाँ पे किस लिए आए हैं? He spoke to the narrator. Thinking that all these things were now of the past, I kept quiet. So that time the narrator of the story keep quiet. He didn't speak anything to the boy. Seeing so many people there, Ranga came out with a smile on his face. So many people, many villagers were there. They gathered in front of Ranga's house. So they were all there. So with that, Ranga came out of his house and he had a smile on his face. Had we all gone inside, so they were standing in the courtyard of Ranga, and the place would have turned into what people call the Black Hole of Kolkata. And that was a great event, as you in Calcutta, and many peoples were there. And this was a black hole for the people because all villagers gathered in the courtyard of Ranga's house. Thank God it didn't. So the all people thanked God it didn't. It did not. So everyone was surprised to see that Ranga was the same. And every villager was surprised to see Ranga because there was no change in Ranga. Ranga was the same as he was 6 years ago when he had first left our village. An old lady, and there was an old lady who was near him. That lady was standing near Rangappa, ran her hand over his chest. He put her hand on Ranga's chest and run Ranga's chest her hand and said, sorry, looked into his eyes and said, okay, and that lady looked into Ranga's eyes and said, the Janevara is still there, and yes, Janev is also there. He has lost his caste. He has not lost his caste. That boy is the same one. There is no problem. That boy had Janev also, and he didn't change his caste. She went away soon after that, and to check it, that lady also went away. Ranga laughed, and Ranga was laughing to hear this thing. Once they realized that Ranga still had same hands because they know Ranga before that. Yes, you. After 6 months, he came back to his village, and there was no change in in Rangappa because the villagers were thinking that Rangappa went to Bangalore for study, and when he came back to village, there will be change in Rangappa. But there is no change in Rangappa. Rangappa was the same as he was 6 months ago. So once they had realized that Ranga still had the same hands, legs, eyes, and mouth, there is no change in his appearance. The crowd melted away. To see that there is no change in Ragappa, the all people of the villagers went away. They went to their houses. Yes, you like a lump of sugar in a child's mouth. I continued to stand there, but narrator was there. He stood there. He didn't go to his house. He was at Rangappa's house. And after everyone had gone, when all villagers had gone from there, I asked, how are you, Rangappa? So the narrator asked from Rangappa, "What? How are you, Rangappa? Is everything well with you? Are you fine?" So he is asking to Rangappa. It was only then Ranga noticed me. When the all villagers went from there, then Ranga, so narrator was the only one there. So he was there. So then Ranga noticed the narrator. He came near me, and Ranga came to me. Ranga came, went to narrator and did a namaskara respectfully, saying, "Okay, he say namaskara. I am all right with your blessings. कि मैं आपके आशीर्वाद से बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ." I must draw your attention to this aspect of Ranga's character. So now the narrator is going to tell Ranga's character. He knew when it would be to his advantage to talk to someone and rightly assessed people's worth. So Ranga knew how to talk with a person. As for the namaskara to me, okay, he put namaskara, he did namaskara to me, and he did not do it all like present day boy. Okay, he was not speaking, he was not doing all things. Yes, you today boys are doing a hello sir, uncle, hello auntie, not like this. Yes, you Rangappa was yes, you giving respect to Swamiji or giving respect to narrator in a very good way with his head up towards the sun. And today's boys what they are हेलो अंकल ऐसे करके नमस्ते करते हैं लेकिन उसने बड़े अच्छे से नमस्कार की. Yes, you. Nor did he merely fold his hands, yes you, he bent low to touch my feet. Okay, उसने मेरे पैर भी छूने के लिए झुका. May you get married soon. और उसने आशीर्वाद दे दिया. Narrator was giving him a bless, and what was that bless? कि तुम जल्दी से तुम्हारी शादी हो जाए. I said blessing him. मैंने ये blessing दी. After exchanging a few pleasantries, I left. So after they talked something, okay, they talked about the happy things, the pleasantries, they discussed, they exchanged. Yes, you. They talked to each other, and after some times, he also left from there. Mean narrator had gone to his house also. So that afternoon, that afternoon, I was resting. Ranga came to my house with a couple of oranges in his hand. So when narrator was at his house, so he was taking rest. So then Ranga came. Ranga came Ranga came to narrator's house, and he had some oranges in his hand. A generous, considerate fellow, and that person, that boy, that Rangappa was a good boy. It would be a fine thing to have some marry, settle down, and be of service to society. I thought. So it would be fine. So he thought it would be fine thing to have some him marry. Yeah, to make him marry, to make him happy, to make him yes, you to make Rangappa happy. It is a good thing. Settle down, and he said to him, be settled down and uh, टू द सर्विस ऑफ द सोसाइटी और हमारे समाज का कुछ भला ये कर सकता है ये लड़का. फॉर अ while we talked about this and that. Okay, they talked. रंगप्पा एंड नरेटर ने आपस में बातें की, इधर उधर की बातें की. Yes, then I came to the point, and then he came to the point, and he asked Rangappa, when do you plan to get married? So रंगप्पा से नरेटर ने पूछ लिया कि शादी कब कर रहे हो रंगप्पा. Sure, then Rangappa said, I'm not going to get married now. No, 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 अभी नहीं sir, मैं अभी शादी नहीं कर रहा हूँ. He said, उसने कहा. Then a narrator asked, why not? क्यों नहीं? Sure, Rangappa, I need to find the right girl. कि मुझे एक अच्छी लड़की चाहिए. I know an officer who got married only 6 months ago. So I know an officer, मैं जानता हूँ एक officers को, and who got married only 6 months ago, and that officer got married just only 6 months ago. He is about 30, वो 30 साल का है, and his wife is 25, and his wife is 25 years old. I am told, and he was telling, Rangappa was telling to narrator, they will be able to talk lovingly to each other. So they both, the officer and that girl, officer and his wife, they both can talk lovingly to each other. So let's say I married a very young girl. सो लेट्स से आई मैरिड ए वेरी यंग गर्ल, तो अभी मैं एक छोटी सी लड़की से अगर शादी कर लूंगा, सी मे टेक माई वर्ड स्पोकन इन लव एज वर्ड स्पोकन इन एंगर, तो मैं जो भी बात प्यार से बोलूंगा तो उसे गुस्सा लगेगा। तो रिसेंटली एट ट्रूपे, और अभी एक वो इंसिडेंट बता रहा है कि अभी अभी एक ट्रूपे था, एक ग्रुप था इन बेंगलोर में, स्टेज द प्ले शकुंतला, और उन्होंने ग्रुप ने एक प्ले स्टेज पे प्ले किया था, स्टेज किया था, दिखाया था, शकुंतला नाम का प्ले उन्होंने किया था। देयर वाज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ दुष्यंता फॉलिंग इन लव, तो अगर दुष्यंत जो था उसका शकुंतला के प्यार में पड़ने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं था, इफ सी वर यंग, अगर वो छोटी होती तो। लाइक द प्रेजेंट डे ब्राइड्स इज देयर, जैसे कि आजकल की दुल्हन होती हैं, तो शकुंतला तो उनकी उम्र की थी। व्हाट वुड हैव हैपेंड टू कालिदासा's प्ले इफ वन गेट्स मैरिड, तो आपने कालिदासा के भी प्ले सुने होंगे, पढ़े होंगे, उनमें भी आपने देखा होगा कि कैसे एक लड़की की शादी हो जाती है। So if one gets married, see it should be to a girl who is mature. If I am going to get married, अगर मुझे शादी करनी है तो मैं एक ऐसी लड़की से शादी करूंगा जो कि मेच्योर होगी। अदरवाइज वन शुड रिमेन ए बैचलर, अदरवाइज एक को ना कुंवारा रह जाना चाहिए। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट मैरिंग नाउ, इसीलिए मैं अभी शादी नहीं कर रहा हूँ। इज देयर एनी अदर रीजन? नाउ राइटर इज आस्किंग, कोई और तो कारण नहीं है। यस यू ए मैन शुड मैरी ए गर्ल ही एडमायर्स, तो एक लड़के को उसी से शादी करनी चाहिए जिसकी वो प्रशंसा करता हो, एडमायर करता हो। वट वी हैव नाउ आर अरेंज्ड मैरिजेस। आजकल हम क्या देख लेते हैं कि अरेंज मैरिजेस होती हैं। How can one admire a girl with milk stain on one side of her face and wetness on the other side? So what about the girl? अगर yes, you if we are going to get married, yeah, if we are going to get married with a girl that we are known to that girl, so what would be the there? So how can we admire that girl when we do not know that girl? So or young that she does not even know how to bite her fingers, and that girl, एक छोटी सी लड़की उसके साथ क्या शादी करेगी, उसको पता ही नहीं होता कि क्या सही है उसके लिए, क्या गलत है। वन इज नीम फ्रूट द अदर इज बिटर गॉड, तो फिर वो ही बात हो जाएगी, एक तो जो है वो है नीम का फल है, दूसरा जो है वो करेला है। एग्जैक्टली रंगा सेड लाफिंग, और ये कहते हुए रंगा हाँ बिल्कुल आप सही कह रहे हैं, तो वो हंस पड़ा। I was distressed that the boy who I thought would make a good husband. So I was distressed. So narrator was distressed. He was happy that yes, that boy may be a good husband. Had decided to remain a bachelor, and he decided that I would remain yes, bachelor. After chatting for a little longer, Ranga left. So after they talking much, and after talking, Ranga went to his house. I made up my mind right then, and now narrator made his mind. narrator ने अपना मन बना लिया that I would get him married, कि मैं इसकी शादी करवाऊंगा। So now there अब शादी मैं करवाऊंगा। अब आगे फिर क्या हुआ? रामा राउजनी से a pretty girl of 11 had come to stay with him. जो अप टू हियर बेटा, अब इससे आगे हम नहीं करेंगे, यहां तक हम करेंगे, इससे नेक्स्ट दूसरी वीडियो में हम करेंगे। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।